Hey people, challenge lock time again. Have a national rim cylinder here pinned by Bronx LockPicker 60. Or, it's not very clear, is it? There we go. Bit better. It's an interesting little lock. Looks like it's seen some life. So, let's tuck it in the vise and have a little poke around. Be back with you in a second. Okay, here we are at the vise. Tension tool in. Going to go with the craziest, most lightest tension that I can manage. Straight to the back of the lock. And let me get myself lined up if I can. Okay, there's the back of the lock. Whoopsie. And we're open. So, place the lock there. See if I can find some extra light. Zoom in a little bit. Oh, I can't use that tray either. I'm stuck with using the mat still. Alright, let's see if I can figure out how to get this thing off the back of the lock. Wait up. Okay, everything's hiding in there. Okay, that wasn't so bad. I generally hate C-clips, but that one wasn't so horrible to me, so... Yay. Ooh, almost dumped the core out. That would have been a disaster. Now, just to be safe, we reach for some shims. You can see how prepared I am. I just basically stuck a lock in the vise, turned on the cam, and it's time to go. The shim is in. Now let's dig out a follower. Oh, which one? Maybe this one. Okay. So, we see 5 pins. You can see that. Now, let's pause them out. Pin 1, serrated pin. Pin 2, serrated. Pin 3, serrated. Pin 4, serrated. Pin 5, serrated. I can see serrations in 2 and 4. I'll come closer at some point and you can see that. Okay. Tweezers. We're in view still, aren't we? Good, 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 good. Let me move the core out of the way. Those out of the way. And we'll go from the front. Okay, there's pin 1. Looks like a bit of a spool-ish. Maybe there's a serration there. We'll need to have a look at that a bit more closely. Pin 2. Ooh, very nicely serrated pin. Plenty of stuff to catch up on for those threads. Now, pin 3. A spool-ish type of beastie. Did I grab that? Nope. Come out. Ah. And 4. I'm going to switch around and come in from the other side to grab this last pin. Having a hard time grabbing the little thing. Let me grab some other tweezers. Let's just use these ones. Pin 5. Okay. Oh, the springs seem to be uniform. I'm going to have to see if I can get in closer again. Ugh. Okay, sorry about this, but I'm going to need to try and get in closer again. I'll just set up again so I don't waste you guys' time. Hang on a moment. I've really got to fix this pinning tray problem I've got. Okay, that's about as good as I can get for the moment, I'm sorry. Okay, first things first. If you can see there, probably not, but there are serrations in 2 and 4. I can't see it through the viewfinder, so you probably can't see it either, but I'll take some photographs at the end. Everything looks normal. Oops. And through here, I'm still suffering from the yellow submarine, so I really don't feel like pulling those springs out right now. But let's have a look at the pins. We have a nice serrated pin here in number 1. Looks like it might even have a slightly reduced tip on it, on the top here. We have another nice serrated pin in 2. A single serration here in 3. Nice wide one to catch. And a lovely, interesting serrated pin in 4. And a nice serrated pin in 5. So those are the key pins. Now up in the drivers, we have this really nice short little ASA type driver in one. The end of it here looks like slightly reduced in size. In two, we have this lovely piece of work of art. It's a very nice, heavily serrated pin, nice sharp end at the bottom. Again, it looks like it might be slightly reduced diameter, so making it seeming like a T-pin, but nice and sharp, ready to catch on something. We have a nice spool-like serrated pin in 3 and 4. We have another lovely, interesting kind of spool pin. A couple of lines in there I can see, interestingly shaped. And in 5, we have another nice spool pin with a kind of serration on the end here. Again, slightly reduced in diameter. So that's what we have inside the lock. To do these pins justice, I'll try to take a photograph or two at the end to give you guys a little bit more detail. But that is probably as much as I can show you, and I should shut the hell up and get out of your way. So I'll say thanks to Bronx LockPicker 60 for making this cool little lock, and thanks again to PickMe 1977 for sending it to me to have a crack at. Peace and respect, people. Take care. I'm a going.
Oh.